It's my fault. It's all my fault. This is all my fault.
I never stopped loving you.
I know that.
I sent you off searching down empty avenue.
I love you. I will always love you.
The room's cold and smoky that you stumbled through, looking for a little truth somehow. I hope you found it now. I hope